How to file taxes after the deadline. Hello everybody. If you're wondering, in this video we are going to find out, so let's start. So first thing is, you may head over to turbotax.intuit.com and log in into your account. And then once you are logged in, you should be able to go ahead and find this interface. So if you've already missed the deadline, unfortunately we cannot do anything about it. But even though we can look for if there is any kind of extension available. So for that, you may head over to the search bar at the top and type in search and type in extend deadline. So here are some of the articles that may help you. For example, this one right here, which is filing an extension for your personal state. So if you have gone through any kind of, some natural disaster that caused a delay, here are some articles. You may go ahead and read those articles and find out if you can go ahead and further go ahead and extend your taxes or not. If this is something that won't work for you, you can directly visit the IRS website as well, or you can head over to TurboTax Easy Extension. So go ahead and search for that, and we have this free federal tax extension. After that, go ahead and click on Start and see if you have some extra time to file for your taxes. So if not, you can go ahead and fill out this form first and continue with the process, and they should tell you if you still have taxes extension period. If the extension period has crossed, you cannot do it, but you can still add some extension about 6 months, but you need to pay some penalties, so get ready for that. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method in order to file extensions after deadline. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.